So the impact for me was huge. So unlike a lot of folks, I mean, I'm not really looking for a change in sort of industry, but I'm looking, or I was looking at the time, to learn a whole set of new tools to better manage collaborative research programs across the globe. And I really found that the program prepared me exceptionally well for that. And not only the collaborative sort of managerial aspects, but the financial ones too. So typically as a practicing scientist, I don't usually think so much about the implications of the financing or the resource allocations that are needed to support the research. But with this program, I got a much better handle on things like, supporting, in my industry, supporting research is actually pretty capital intensive. And so for the first time, we're actually doing a better job managing our capital footprint. So thinking very carefully about how we invest in very expensive instrumentation that's needed to support our research. Another aspect of this that I really learned a lot about was managing far-flung networks of teams. And I learned a lot of tools to help me keep in touch with individual players in our collaborations. So one thing that happens if you don't really pay attention is the occasional email gets sent back and forth, and there's a lot of opportunity for miscommunication. But definitely in both the O-Lab, Organizations Lab, and in Go-Lab, Global Organizations Lab, I learned a lot about more effectively managing teams and kind of building that collaborative, I would say much more efficient and effective team, not just organizational structure, but sort of the psychology and the ethos of how those groups work together. I definitely learned a lot about that.